So let's put the heat aside for a minute, and from Bihar, I take you now to the hill state of Himachal Pradesh, because Hamirpur, Kangra, Mandi, some of the most crucial states of the hill state are facing the polling right now. And in the state of Himachal Pradesh, I will bring you Kamaljeet Sandhu, who joins me for the latest on that. And we'll quickly take a look at Himachal Pradesh here and how the VVIP candidates are before I go across to Kamaljeet in this. All right, so this is Anand Sharma from Kangra, senior leader, former minister. Kangana Ranaut, of course, who's been right there in the center of not only a surprise candidate, but against her, Vikramaditya, who comes from an erstwhile royal family, has been a minister in the state government, now a challenger who's going to be against Kangana Ranaut. And then there's Prakash Chandra Bharadwaj of the BSP. So these are some of the constituencies here, but I want to go to Hamirpur, where Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining me. Kamaljeet, Anurag Thakur, INB minister, and Satpal Raizada against him from the Congress, Hemraj of BSP. Tell me how Hamirpur, why is it important, why is it crucial, and are the people coming out already?
Pooja, let me first give you a holistic view. One is there are 18 seats, total 13 in Punjab, 4 in Himachal Pradesh and 1 in Chandigarh. Now, what is significant about the small state of Himachal Pradesh is there are 4, but it has the maximum number of VIPs because it's obviously Kangana Ranaut versus Vikramaditya, as you were mentioning, the royal versus the Queen of Bollywood. Then there is obviously also Anand Sharma, who's from Kangra, and then there is obviously we're talking about the INB and the sports minister Anurag Thakur. So it seems like this should be a cakewalk as far as Anurag Thakur is concerned. But in at least 2 of the seats of Shimla as well as Mandi, there seems to be a big and a bitter fight between opponents of BJP and the Congress party. It could go any which way, but definitely as far as Hamirpur is concerned, remember, as far as Anurag Thakur's own performance is concerned, he's done stupendously well. Since 2008, he's won election after election, and this time he's again contesting against Satpal Raizada. So it should not be difficult, but it does seem that there are 2 other
stay
seats.
On with me.
And remember,
like Kamaljeet is mentioning, Himachal Pradesh shouldn't be taken lightly. It has key candidates and a high-stake battle as well. From Himachal